Here's another one of the babies. This one is Aries. He is the biggest out of the litter. And he is brown. He's got a beautiful coat. Beautiful ever since he was born. He's got the features of the Bengal as well. He's got the M on the head with the white around the eyes with the raised cheekbones. He's got the back pattern of the Bengal. The spots. The spots of the Bengal. The stripes. Beautiful pattern. He's also the tabby mix, so he has the white Bengal tabby mix. Aries right here, very full of energy, very playful. I can tell from just seeing him now that he's going to be a very big cat. And I have a very big male cat right here, and I can tell that Aries will get bigger than him. I can see it. He's really huge.